Garcia.
And now Garcia. Ooh, I think.
Ito may gagawin din to. Alis daw muna dyan. Ako dadaan
And
dyan.
now D. With the screen, Garcia, what a
What a
pass!
pass by Garcia!
What an open pass!
Matang tubig ngayon yung nahihirapan eh.
Oo nga.
Iba rin dito si Garcia. Galing niya gumawa ng play. Like, if wala siyang makita, sige, ako na lang. Ako yung papasok sa gitna. Trangka having another chance to win this ball game.
Grabe tong laban, oh. Kanina
Garcia,
parang wala na eh. But now,
Garcia with a tie here now.
oh my God, Garcia!
Garcia kakain na.
Kakain na by Barangka!
Matang tubig pa rin. No good for the 2 points.
Oh, Garcia, what a hustle!
Garcia
Has
on
the ball all
inside.
the way! No good!
Dikan ngayon ang laban. Ngayon si Garcia, inaasawa dito.
Ang violation. As yung si partner kanina, ang
Garcia.
pass ito Ramirez. Don't know where to go with the ball. All dito sa Barangka. As Garcia got the ball. That's an offensive foul.
Now, Barangka having
No.
chance. It's a free throw for
No.
Garcia.
I think that's defensive foul. I thought they called D for that.
Take
His
your
free
time when it
throws.
comes to free throw. As matang tubig lead.
But ang tubig.
Now it's
Barangka got
having
the
a
ball.
tough situation.
Garcia.
Garcia taking a
Step
three.
back three! Bam! And now,